What is up, you guys? Welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to upload multiple photos on TikTok video. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And once you are on TikTok, just tap there on plus icon to start creating your TikTok video, and now you are able to tap on upload icon to go to your gallery, and from here you can select videos and photos. I'll switch it to photos, and now I can add there any kind of photos that I want to add to my TikTok video, like that. And I can add any count of these photos as much as I want, like this, 9, 10, 11, and so on. And once I'm done, I just tap here next, and all this photo becomes kind of slideshow like that. And now I can adjust this slideshow, I can trim it, I can make voiceover on it, I can add some effects here, I can add there some music. And once I done doing this, I can tap next button to continue creating the TikTok video as I normally do. I hope this video helped you out, so let me know in the comments below if it's worked for you.